Census is a data activation platform that helps companies like Sonos, Orangetheory, Pret-a-Manger, Canva, and Notion create data-driven marketing campaigns, personalize customer experiences, and reduce customer acquisition costs. As you know, understanding your audience is key to any successful marketing campaign. Census makes it easier than ever to get insights into who your customers are and how to reach them effectively. We do this by unlocking your valuable first-party customer data that lives in your organization's source of truth, which is a cloud data warehouse like Snowflake, Databricks, or Google BigQuery. And with our integrations with 200 marketing, advertising, and business tools like Facebook, Google, Braze, Marketo, HubSpot, and Mixpanel, you can easily export custom audience segments and any customer data you need to anywhere you work. Today, I'm going to demo Census Audience Hub, a powerful point-and-click audience builder natively integrated with the data warehouse. You can use a combination of demographic, behavioral, and identity data to create highly specific segments tailored to your campaign goals. The best part is, you don't need any engineering favors, manual CSV uploads, or coding to start improving your marketing with better data. Let's say you're a marketing manager at a retail company that has a strong e-commerce business, but also has physical retail locations. Normally, it might be hard for you to unify offline conversions like in-person purchases with your digital advertising conversion. A huge benefit of using Census is access to a complete and unified customer 360 view in the data warehouse. You want to create an audience of your best VIP customers so you can send them a special discount offer. First of all, we want to include the rewards program customers and exclude anyone on the unsubscribed list. You can see, as I'm building the segment, that the estimated size instantly recalculates. Now, I want to target individuals with at least one purchase. So even though my purchases are in a completely different table in my warehouse, I can use them to segment my users. So now we're targeting anyone who's performed more than one purchase. We can also add in more advanced calculations. As I'm targeting high-value users, I want to find anyone with an average order value of greater than 100. So I can do this with calculated fields. This allows non-technical users to create complex formulas without requesting help from the data team. When you're done building, you can sync your audience to destinations like Braze and Marketo, all in one click. Now let me show you some more advanced Audience Hub features. Experiments enable you to measure performance across different variations and channels. You can easily split a segment into treatment and control groups to test performance across different cohorts and marketing channels. I've previously created 3 segments, one for each interest group: basketball, runners, and cyclists. But you could be interested in running and cycling. We're able to see the number of users who are both runners and cyclist enthusiasts, showing the individual counts for those segments, as well as the overlap. But what if we only wanted to send one campaign to those users? So even though they're runners and cyclists, they should only receive one campaign, either the running campaign or the cycling campaign. This is where segment priorities fits in. With segment priorities, you can choose which segments take priority over other segments, so customers in multiple campaigns don't receive too many messages at once. For example, if our cyclist is our highest priority, and someone is in the cycling and running segments, they'll only receive the cycling campaigns. You're even able to add limits to limit the number of people within a segment. Now that segment has been syncing, we're able to look back over the last 30 days and see changes in the segment size. To recap, at Census, we're building the future of marketing by bringing data and marketing closer on the same platform. By connecting marketers to first-party data in the cloud data warehouse, we make it easier than ever to understand your audience and reach them effectively. Everything I showed today is available now. Get a free onboarding or start a trial at getcensus.com.